Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to talk about two more elements in the dashboard. The first you'll see is a statistical reading of how your podcast is doing. You'll be able to look at people who are downloading as well as streaming, as well as where they're listening from. You'll also get demographics as to where they live, and this can be helpful information, in particular if your podcast is geography specific. Blog Talk Radio will also report to you about monetization. It'll tell you how much you're earning for a particular period of time. Now, you will be able to see this based on the activity, and if you want to go into more detail, you can actually click this arrow, and Blog Talk Radio will give you all of the information that you'll need and how it was determined to get to the monetization that you are earning. So by using the statistical information here in the stats area, that'll give you an idea of how well you are doing in order to monetize if you're looking to monetize from the network. In some cases, you may be looking for a sponsor for your show, but this can be a stream of income if you decide to do what you can to send lots of traffic to your show. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.